Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital products using Canva. First, identify a profitable niche and create valuable digital products. Next, design your products professionally using Canva's intuitive tools. Then, set up an online store to showcase your unique creations. Finally, market your products effectively to reach your target audience and drive sales. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each essential step, ensuring you have a clear roadmap to success. We'll cover everything from initial design to final sale, helping you build a thriving digital product business. Now, let's dive into designing your digital products with Canva. Canva offers thousands of customizable templates, making design accessible for everyone. You can easily adjust fonts, colors, and images to perfectly align with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to export your final products in high-quality formats, such as a 300 dpi PDF for printables or a transparent PNG for digital stickers. Focus on creating visually appealing and user-friendly designs that truly stand out to your customers. Once your products are designed, it's time to launch your online store. Select an e-commerce platform that supports digital product sales like Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad. Upload your beautifully designed Canva products, ensuring each has a clear, compelling description and at least 3 high-quality preview images. Set competitive pricing, perhaps starting with an introductory offer of 20% off. Finally, integrate secure payment processing options to provide a smooth and trustworthy purchasing experience for your customers. To truly succeed, effective marketing is key. Promote your digital products across various social media platforms, sharing engaging content and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Build an email list and send out newsletters with exclusive offers or new product announcements, aiming for a 25% open rate. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience, potentially gaining hundreds of new followers. Regularly analyze your sales data to understand what works best, allowing you to refine your strategies and boost your overall sales.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.